So now before uploading product on this store website, we need to create few categories, because categories are important on an online store because they organize product and help customer to find what they want quickly. Even after, if I simply put, then categories organize products so customer can find and browse items easily. They also help with search, filtering, navigation, and SEO. So let's see how we can add categories to our store website. So for adding our categories for our store website, we need to hover over this product, and under this product you have this option called categories. And here we can see by default one category has been created. It's we can't delete or edit, because if you hover over this question mark, then you'll get this text. This is default category and it can be deleted. So leave it as it is. We will add our category that we need to create here. So here I'm gonna add the first intro. I'm gonna write here t-shirt. This will be my first category, and then if you want you can add this for Slack, but for the Slack we need to make this all character with lowercase. For that I'm gonna make it lowercase, and if you don't place this Slack, then no worries, the Slack will be created automatically while you will click over this add new category. So right after that we have a parent category where we can see here uncategorized. So this has been created by default while WordPress was installed, and WooCommerce was installed. So if you want this t-shirt category will be under this uncategorized, then you can select it or leave it as it is. And then we have also, we can add here a short description for this category. For example, I'm going to give here is all about the category. So for example, I just added this, and even after, if you want, you can also add thumbnail for this category. So for example, I'm going to upload a thumbnail, this one, and then we have also a display type here, products, subcategories. We don't need to select any of them. So initially we will create this category, and for that we need to click on it, add new category, and this category has been created. So this is how we can create all the categories. And then we have so many category list that we need to add, this one. And if I want this, I create under a parent category, exist category like t-shirt. Under the t-shirt, this shirt will be appear. So this shirt will be child for this t-shirt, and this t-shirt will be parent for this shirt. So you maybe understand what I'm trying to exemplify. So leave it none, and I don't want to add any description or thumbnail for this category. And this category has been also created. And this is how you can add all categories. So in the meantime, we have added all the categories that we need, and in this time we will create a product and upload a product. So for that we have that option called add new product. Just we will click over it, or if you are not here in this page, for example you are on this dashboard, then how we can get inside that add new product option. So for that we need to hover over this product again, and then we will click on this add new product option, and from here at the first we will add a title for this product. For example, I have already listed down all the product description, title and tags, so I just will copy and paste it here. And now we have a description for this product, and product short description also we need to add. And now on the right hand side we have a button. This is for publish. If you want, you can click over this publish button, then this product will be uploaded and published for this store website. But if you want, you can also change the status before publish it. For example, here or by default you can see draft. If you want to make it pending or any other thing, so leave it as it is, and then we have a product image, I mean product feature image, that will be display initially for the product grid and product page. So for that we need to add and upload a product image for this product. So click over the save product image, and from here you can select your product from your device. So for this project I have already uploaded my product. For example, I'm gonna add this one. Here is my product thumbnail, and then product gallery. For this gallery we will select few t-shirt that different colors, and now in this time we need to select the category, actually under which category this product will be assigned. So for that we can select here t-shirt, and then product tags. Also we have listed down all things. Here it is, our product tags. So this is how you can add your all the tags for his product. So now we have added all the product tags, and in the next we need to add a brand name for this product. So here we have a product, this is t-shirt, this brand name I'm gonna add here. For adding, we need to click over this add new brand. So I'm gonna add here our money, and then add new. This brand has been added. So this is how you can add all the brands that you want from here. And also if you want to add this brand from categories, then you can click over this brand option. Then from here you can add all the brands. For example, I'm gonna add another brand. Now this has been added. So in this time we need to apply a product price for this product. So here I'm gonna, for example, give the price for this t-shirt 599. This is the regular price. So if you want to give a discount for that, you can enter another less price, less than this regular price. So for that we need to add here 499. So this will be our sale price, and this work will be a regular price that was before. So next we have an inventory. We don't need to select any of them here, and if you want, you can add a product SKU that will be unique identity. So for example, I'm going to give here PT, like this code. This is the unique code that's for this product. And then we have a stock management opportunity for this website. So just we need to check it, and then quantity for it's by default we want here, but if you have 150 or 20 product, then you can just enter that number here. So for example, I have 20 product in stock for this t-shirt, and then that's why I'm gonna write here 20, and then allow back orders. If you want to allow return this order, for example, one customer has been ordered, and right after delivery that customer has been returned the products. If you want this, then you can allow it, or if you don't want that, just select do not allow, leave it as it is, and then low stock threshold. So for example, your product already 20 we have, but when this product will be less than 5, then it will give you a warning that your product is gonna stock out. So that's why I'm gonna enter here 5 and sold individually unit process, and then shipping, leave it as it is, and product will be 200 grams, and link, leave it as it is. So for simple product we don't need extra things. And in the next we will see how we can add variable products, and that will be something difficult than this video. So this was the product uploading conceptions for simple product, and now we will publish it, and let's see how it is on our website. So here is this product that we have added. So you may be remember that we have a regular price and sale price. So this regular price is through line through, because this was the before, but now we are trying to sell this product with 499. So this is why this price is active. And also we have 20 product in stock and add cart. We have a SKU and categories, tags, brand, all things.